So this is the Love Hotel Expansion 2. It's an asset for Blender and Studio. I've had to hide these, some of the paintings due to the fact that YouTube has got certain restrictions on what can be seen and what can't. There's the elevator. You can open and close it using doors here. I don't want to show some stuff because some stuff is not allowed on YouTube. As for the render engine, the default is Evee. As for how you want it to look, you can control the look by just simply uh, changing to apply HDRIs. Just pick an HDRI. I think I'm going to try out Kiara Dawn. Alternatively, yeah, let's use this Dick Hollow. As you can see, this is what it looks like with the Dick Hollow. You can switch from Dick Hollow to Kiara Dawn. Alternatively, you can try the Moonless Golf, which also looks pretty nice on the inside. As you can see, the top ceiling is reflective. You can change that. You can change how reflective the ceiling is. It's also like a metal grill over there on top. And then something else that you can do is that you can change the lights. The lights at the top, you can change how bright they are. You can change what color they are. There's a menu over there. There's a TV over here. I've had to hide the visual that's on the screen here. Of course, YouTube has got their limitations. I will be uploading an uncensored version to my Rule 34, which you can access through my link tree. Then there's this over here. You can just hide this if you don't like it. Then there's an image over here just to, fill out the scene. You can change the image if you like. Of course, there are also images in this elevator. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. So this part over here, this is the part that attaches to the regular Love Hotel. So it's like the Love Hotel will be somewhere over here. Then it just automatically connects to this expansion too. Then these doors, right? They have a shape key, so you can just open up the doors. So if you're working on a game or something like that in Unreal Engine, the nice thing is that you can actually export the morphs as they are to Unreal Engine from Blender. You can also export to Dash Studio. So the way it's supposed to work is, let me actually, no, okay, fine. The way it's supposed to work is that your character will move from the Love Hotel, then they open up the store, and they just walk in here. Then they can check the menu of the food that they want. You can check the TV, so the display is. These fire extinguishers and fire hose are they're meant for a bit of wall painting, so like just in case there's a fire or something, they can just use that. Then of course there's this nice painting, and you can choose whether or not you're going to be having these lights there. You can have these lights and turn that off, or you can have the lights on and that painting. Then there's obviously the vending machine for use. You can switch this out for a vending machine that dispenses snacks instead. Then there's just the elevator for getting places. Then there's just the window. You can open and close this window however you like. And this way, it's just a vase or vase, however you want to pronounce it. You can switch that out for a different asset if you like. After all, I've got lots of free 3D models such as statues and stuff in the first expansion that you can just apply. Because there's a painting over here, you can switch out that painting later. So yeah, this is what the Love Hotel Expansion 2 looks like. It doesn't come with that studio poses, unlike the first expansion, but I will be making some poses to go with the Love Hotel in the near future. So yeah, this is the Love Hotel Expansion 2. This is how it looks like in Blender Evee. You can also try with Blender Cycles, but if you're like me and you don't have a lot of processing power, it might actually crash. Yeah, I'm out of GPU memory. That's because I don't have a lot of I don't have a lot of GPU memory, so I only have like 2 GB RAM. So it's like I can render it, but doing viewing it in the viewport on the other hand, that's where the device kind of struggles. I guess I could try lowering the sample count. Wait, 100, 100. And you know, you can change the light paths and the advanced. You can do all that stuff. Light paths, change this to 8, even. 7. You know, ultimately it depends on. Oh yeah, you could also turn this on. You can change this medium contrast. You can set this to transparent film. You can do different things depending on what sort of system you have. As for me, I find that Evee works the best for the sort of system I'm working with because, well, I only have 2 gigabytes of video RAM. So normally what I do when I want to use cycles here, I normally view things from the camera's perspective. Anyways, as for the data side of things, I'm just about to make a tutorial about them.